Unraveling the mystery. Act the giddy goat. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, act the giddy goat. This expression might sound quirky and confusing at first, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery together. The phrase, act the giddy goat, is a British expression used to describe someone who is behaving foolishly, often in a playful or silly manner. When you're acting the giddy goat, you're not taking things seriously, possibly making jokes, or just being generally lighthearted and possibly a bit erratic. It's important to note that this phrase is usually used in a friendly or teasing manner, rather than being harsh or overly critical. Understanding where phrases come from can often help us remember them better. The term, giddy goat, has its roots in British English, and while the exact origin is a bit murky, it's clear that it combines two concepts. Giddy, in Old English, could mean possessed by a god or insane, but in modern usage, it means dizzy or lightheaded, often with excitement or lack of seriousness. Goats, on the other hand, have long been associated with stubbornness and playfulness, often seen in popular culture as creatures that will eat or play with anything. Putting these together, acting the giddy goat invokes the image of someone being as silly and carefree as a goat might be, with a touch of being dizzy or overly excited. It's a colorful way to depict someone's light-hearted foolishness. Now that you know what it means and where it comes from, you might be wondering how to use act the giddy goat in your own conversations. Here are a few examples. In a light reprimand, stop acting the giddy goat and focus on your homework. Teasing a friend, you were such a giddy goat at the party last night. Describing someone's behavior, every time we go out, he starts acting the giddy goat, making everyone laugh. Remember, the key to using this phrase effectively is the context and the tone. It's best used in casual, friendly situations where a bit of humor is appreciated. And there you have it. Act the giddy goat is a wonderfully expressive phrase to describe playful foolishness. We hope this video has illuminated not just the meaning but also the charm of using such idiomatic expressions in English. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about the colorful phrases that give it flavor and personality. Thank you for watching, and we hope you feel inspired to act a little bit like a giddy goat today. In the best way possible, of course.